According to a recent survey, 39% of college students own a parking pass. So my null hypothesis is p is equal to 0.39. So the alternative hypothesis would be p is not equal to 0.39. So having an alternative hypothesis with a not equal sign corresponds to a two-tailed test. A company claims that its brand of paint has a mean drying time of more than 50 minutes. So because they use the phrasing more than 50, that means that it actually cannot equal 50. So this is the alternative hypothesis. So mu is greater than 50. Now the null hypothesis will be mu is less than or equal to 50. But we actually don't care about the null hypothesis when it comes to determining what type of test it is. So because the alternative hypothesis uses a greater than sign, we know that this is going to be a right-tailed test.